Ready to unleash the power of professional broadcasting? With the LAWO Crystal Console, it's never been easier to get started. Follow along as we guide you step by step to crystal clear audio perfection. Start by unboxing your Crystal Console. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started. If you've opted for the virtual extension, now's the time to mount it. This optional feature enhances control and visibility, giving your broadcasts an even more professional edge. Now, unbox your LAWO Power Core. This powerhouse is what drives your crystal. To customize your setup, install your modular I/O cards. These allow you to add exactly the inputs and outputs you need for your workflow. Next, plug in your LAWO license dongle to unlock all the features your console has to offer. Finally, insert the SFP modules for network connectivity. These will enable seamless communication between your devices and ensure everything runs smoothly. Next, connect the power and network cables to the power core. This is the heart of your setup. Make sure to connect the network cables to the network switch and the Crystal Console. Additionally, connect the power, DisplayPort, and USB cables to the VX module from your preferred PC. With the core in place, it's time to connect your audio equipment. Plug in your microphones, audio sources, headphones, and monitor speakers. Your setup is starting to come together. Switch on the power core and console, and watch the system come to life. The LEDs and TFT displays will let you know it's ready to go. Visit the LAWO Download Center and log in. Download the Crystal apps and standard configurations. After installing, open the Crystal Apps Admin Launcher and choose either the VX app or desktop app. If you do not have the default IP address on your power core, set the configured IP address of the power core and click Adjust. You want to see the connected status and that the firmware is up to date. If it's not, click Update. Select your desired configuration, transfer it, and wait for the reboot to complete. During the reboot, it is normal to see the Not Connected status, and when the transfer is complete, you will see Connected status and the config is up to date. For the VisTool part, you can set your session default parameters on the session defaults. You leave the Ember Plus provider port at default. Select how many of the virtual modules you have, 1 or 2. Now, select which session should go on which screen. At the bottom, you will see a representation of monitors. If you click on a screen, a message will appear on the correct monitor. When you're done, click Apply. A new shortcut will appear on your desktop. Close the Crystal Apps admin, launch the app, and you're ready to go. It's quick, easy, and powerful. Now comes the fun part. Put the advanced features to work. Start with Auto Mix to balance multiple microphones seamlessly. Use Auto Gain to get the perfect mic levels with a single button. Activate ducking to automatically control background audio, keeping your voice front and center. And that's it. You're now ready to start mixing with your new Crystal. Go ahead, make your sound shine.